Welcome back, dearies, to another exciting recipe of Sinfully Desilicious. Extending the chaat theme of this month, in line with pav bhaji, ragda patties and their fusions, now comes the dabeli. But dabeli, its variations and fusions, needs a little wait as I need to introduce you to dabeli masala this week. Kutch region of Gujarat's Dabeli masala is a special aromatic spice mix powder with exploding flavors like sweet, spicy and tangy in every pinch of it. I shall explain you the extra perks of making this masala at home. Now let's get into the recipe. Here I made Dabeli masala in two methods. First is an instant and no cooking method. Second is the traditional and authentic method. Instant method involves the grinding of desiccated coconut sesame seeds with garam masala, Kashmiri chili powder, dry ginger powder, dry mango powder, black salt, lemon salt and sugar. Talking about one of the ingredient, dry coconut or desiccated coconut powder, it's a must for this masala as it gives a coarse texture and oily finish to it. You can use grated copra as well. Talking about the next ingredient, sesame seeds, you can use both white and black interchangeably. Both have its own nutty flavor and only differ in the color it imbues to the powder. Store the instant no-cook shortcut homemade dabeli masala in an airtight container and refrigerate it for longer shelf life. Now let's move on to the next traditional and authentic method. It involves roasting all the whole garam masalas, dry coconut, whole red chilies, sesame seeds and then grinding it with dry powders, sugar and lemon salt. The masala prepared in both the methods were equally good and tasted the same if your garam masala powder has the same ingredients as I referred in this method. Alternatively, you can prepare this garam masala powder days ahead and simply follow the instant method and prepare the homemade dabeli masala according to your convenience with no hassle. Well, you could ask me a question. While there are multiple brands available in the market, why should I toil and exert myself doing this laborious task? I too pondered a lot and finally made up my mind to make this homemade version for the following perks. Firstly, it saves your pocket and is absolutely healthy and hygienic as you are completely involved in the process of preparing and storing it. No unnecessary preservatives, colors and stabilizers. Each and every ingredient is controlled and monitored by you. Also, I thought of adding few more perks to encourage you to go for this homemade masala. Preparing such a laborious masala and confining it to a single dish doesn't sound good. Always Sinfully Desilicious never disappoints its followers. Here I come up with my 3 creative dishes using this dabeli masala, thus transforming it into a versatile masala. Talking about the ingredients, Kashmiri red chili gives an intense color with moderate spice to the powder. If you are replacing with normal chilies, be mindful of the spice and manipulate the numbers, and it also may not impart the intense color of the Kashmiri. The next ingredient, lemon salt, sour salt or citric acid, which is mandatory to impart the tangy tartish flavor to the powder. This is the key and only ingredient which adds a sharp acidic flavor to the powder. It's easily available in the market. Next ingredient is the oil. You should add any neutrally flavored oil as it is essential it shouldn't impart any residual flavor to the masala. Oils like corn oil, refined sunflower oil, other vegetable oils, canola oil and grapeseed oil are best. After adding the oil, grind it till it incorporates well into the mixture. Store it in an airtight container and refrigerate it for longer shelf life. It will stay fresh for minimum 6 months in the refrigerator. I assure that these two homemade masala is significantly better and surpasses the taste, aroma and flavor of the store-bought. Also, you can explore a lot with this masala by infusing it into your regular recipes, which completely turns the recipe to a new dimension in terms of flavor. First comes the dabeli batata or aloo bonda. Batata vada can be served as a snack or sandwich between pav buns as vada pav. Here I spiced up the potato stuffing with my homemade dabeli masala. To the boiled mashed potatoes, add chopped ginger, green chili, curry leaves, coriander leaves, salt and finally our homemade dabeli masala. Mix everything together, make balls out of it. Dip it into the spiced up flour mixture, which is gram flour, rice flour, corn flour. Coat it evenly and deep fry the balls. Your chatpata crispy dhabeli batata vada, that is aloo bonda, is ready to serve. Next comes the dhabeli pulao. Start up with your regular pulao preparation by sauteing onion, few slick green chili in oil along with ground paste of sauteed ginger garlic, garam masalas. Now add the required quantity of our homemade dhabeli masala, mix veggies, mint leaves and mix well. Add required quantity of water, rice, salt and combine well. Cook it according to your cooking preference. Here I used 3 tablespoons of dhabeli masala for 2 cups of rice. Feel free to increase or decrease the masala according to your spice level. Spicy, delectable dhabeli pulao is ready to serve. Every grain of the rice has imbibed the flavor of our homemade dhabeli masala and it will be a party hit menu for sure. Final in the list comes the dhabeli uthapam. Uthapam is nothing but it's a thick dosas. Make thick dosas on a tawa. Add finely chopped onions, finely chopped colored capsicums, and finally sprinkle generously with our homemade dhabeli masala. Drizzle some oil, close and cook for a minute. Flip if required. You can follow the same procedure to make thin crispy dosas as well. Tasty, appetizing dhabeli uthapam is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed watching this authentic and instant recipe for dhabeli masala. Hope you must have also enjoyed the scrumptious treat of my creative recipes using this dhabeli masala. Also, don't forget that the actual kachi dhabeli recipe and its variation are waiting for next week's post. For more such authentic, creative, instant recipes, visit my website Sinfully Desilicious. When I discovered cooking, I discovered myself. So can you.